Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install Google Chrome current stable version on Rocky Linux 10.1. Okay, the default web browser that comes with Rocky Linux is Firefox. See here, click on it to open. Now go to Google or any search engine and search for download Google Chrome. Click on Google Chrome web browser. Then click on download Chrome, then select this 64-bit.rpm package for Red Hat, Fedora or Alma Linux or Rocky Linux or Oracle Linux type operating systems. We have to select this .rpm. So click on accept and install. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 115 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this RPM package. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the Google Chrome RPM package. We have to install it. Sudo rpm -ivh -- no deps, then Google, then press the tab to autofill entire RPM package name, hit enter, then put the password of the sudo user. See, we are installing Google Chrome version number 142. It is just warning. Okay, now verify. See, we have the Google Chrome. Click on it to open. See, if you want to make Google Chrome as the default web browser, you have to keep the checkbox, and if you want to automatically send user statistics and cross reports to Google, you have to select the checkbox. It is up to you. Then click on OK. I don't want to sign in. Select got it. See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Google Chrome web browser latest version on Rocky Linux 10.1. The process is same on all Rocky Linux versions. Okay, for more Linux tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.